Hey everyone, I'm Blake. This is another episode of Blake's Takes. Corvette tips straight from the shop here at C&S Corvettes. Today's take is 5 things you should always do before taking your Corvette in for service. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean coming and seeing us. It could be we're at your local Pep Boys, God forbid, your dealership, or your trusted local mechanic. You do these and you'll save some time, you'll save some money, and probably a little bit of headache for everybody. So number 1, quick pre-check. Start with a quick walk around. Look for leaks, scratches, if you got a dash light on, anything out of the ordinary. It might have been fine when you went to sleep, and then when you got up this morning, every light is on. And if you notice, a squeak, rattle, vibration, anything, just let the technician or I know, and we'll know exactly what we're looking for. Number 2, document your car. Take a few quick photos of the outside, the inside, and the mileage. It gives you peace of mind, and it gives me a reference point. In fact, when you bring your Corvette here to C&S Corvettes, we are a little heavy on the documentation. I think right now for a torque tube job, we're trailing about 300 pictures alone. So between you and us, if we both take pictures, nothing will get overlooked. Number 3, clean it out respectfully. I know this can be a touchy subject, but here's why it helps. The less personal stuff in the car, the less chance of anything getting moved, misplaced, or damaged, and those are your valuables because they are in your valuable car. Over the years, I've found plenty of things in Corvettes, golf shoes, car show flyers, your secret stash of snacks in the glove box, and the occasional pew. But it all gives me a laugh, but it helps us move along quickly and precisely if everything is gone through and cleared out. Number 4, modifications. If your Corvette has been modified in any way, exhaust, suspension, intake, tune, whatever, let the technician or I know. We're probably going to spot it anyways, but giving us the rundown saves time and it avoids confusion. Number 5, customer requests. If you have a personal request, please let it be known right away up front. Anything from if you only want OEM parts put on your vehicle, if you would like the old parts that we took off to be returned to you after the job is done. Simple things that just let us know in the beginning so we can make this whole transition smooth as possible. Well, there you go. 5 simple things you can do before taking your Corvette in for service. Do these and it'll make your life smoother, it'll make my life smoother, and it'll keep your Corvette right where it belongs, on the road and running strong. Well, that's been another Blake's Takes episode. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to see more of Blake's Takes put up, comment down below. If you don't want to see me, comment down below. Either way, it'll still be fun engagement, and I hope you have a good one. Thank you. Number 2, document your car. Take a cue. There we go. Here comes the bloopers. Number 2, document your car. Take a quick. It gives you peace of mind, and it gives me a reference point. Take a few quick photos of the outside, the inside, and the mileage. It gives you a reference point. I need the reference point, not you. In fact, usually when people come and see me, I document their cars so much that it's about 300 pages. 300 pages. See, I go ad lib, and that's when I mess up.
300 pictures.
I have to do the whole thing over again. Well, there you have it. 5 simple things you can do before taking your Corvette into your... Well, there you have it. 5 things you can do to not mess this up. Do these and it makes your life smoother, it makes my life smoother, and it keeps your Corvette on the road where it should be. Running strong. That was dumb.